Hello everyone. Today's our topic is the chromosomal basis of inheritance. Chromosomes we had studied in previous standard. Chroma means color and soma means body. And the genes they are located on the chromosome. Gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Types of chromosomes. There are two types of chromosomes, autosomes and the sex chromosomes. Autosomes they are responsible for body characters and sex chromosomes they are responsible for sex of an individual. Now this is the structure of chromosome. In human karyotype technique, the chromosome spread is prepared in the metaphasic stage and we can observe the structure of chromosome. The chromosomal basis of sex. Chromosomal basis of determining sex is rather simple. There are different techniques that is called as XY method of sex determination, X0 condition, ZW system and haploid diploid system of sex determination. XY system. Now this XY system of sex determination, it is very common in case of human being. In case of human female, there is XX chromosome. That's why female is called as homogametic. Homo means same. That is both the chromosomes are same XX. Human male is heterogametic. It is having two different type of chromosome, that is X chromosome and Y chromosome. Now sex of an offspring, it depends on whether the sperm has X chromosome or Y chromosome. That means sex of an individual is determined by the father. Female is having XX chromosome. Both the chromosomes are XX and male is heterogametic having X and Y chromosome. Sex determination in case of human being, father. In case of father, the genotypes are X and Y. And in case of mother, the genotype is XX, homogametic. Now, XY. Suppose here X is coming from father's side and X is coming from mother's side. So, XX means daughter. Y is coming from father's side and X gene is coming from mother's side. So, XY that means son. Like this, there are 50% chances of a male child and 50% chances of a female child. So same here, in case of XY system of sex determination, the sex of an individual is determined by the father. Next type of sex determination, that is XO system, or we can say X0 system. In insects, only one type of chromosome is there. Females, they are homogametic, that is XX chromosome, and males are having only one chromosome, that is X. So, sex of an offspring is determined by again the sperm. If the sperm is having X chromosome, XX, and if the sperm is having 0, that is no chromosome, then single X. ZW system of sex determination, that is present in case of birds and some of the fishes and insects. Females, they are having ZW chromosomes and males, they are having ZZ chromosomes. That means again here females they are heterogametic but males are homogametic, exactly opposite to the human being. Haploid diploid system of sex determination. Now this type of sex determination, it is present in case of insects, especially in case of honeybees. You know, in case of honeybees there is a hive, there is a colony and large number of worker bees are required. So, the sex of an individual, it is determined by the queen, whether she lay fertilized egg or unfertilized egg. So, female when she lays fertilized, or females they are developed from the fertilized ova, that is diploid, and males they are developed from unfertilized ova, that is males are haploid. Twins. There are different types of twins. Identical twins and fraternal twins. Now this information is helpful for the NEET and CET exams. There are monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Monozygotic twin, it developed from the single zygote. That single zygote, it divide by certain reason, unknown reason, into two equal halves and identical twins are produced. Then fraternal, that is dizygotic, that is two different ova, they are fertilized by two different sperm. Siamese twin, it is the abnormality. In this, division is incomplete, that's why abnormal babies are born. Inheritance of blood group. Inheritance of blood group, it is also depends on the genes. Here different alleles are present. First of all, we know there are ABO type of blood group system, and according to this there are 4 different types of blood groups are there: A, B, AB and O. Now depending on the genotype and depending on the study of alleles, here we come to know that the O blood group is a universal donor and AB blood group is a universal acceptor. Rh factor. Along with ABO blood group system, whether the blood is Rh positive or Rh negative, that is determined by the Rh factor. Now Rh factor, it is determined by the rhesus type of monkeys. That's why the name is given Rh factor. If Rh positive person, we can say A Rh positive, and if Rh negative, that is do not have the D antigen, then it is called as Rh negative person. Now this is about the mother, if she is having A blood group and father is having B blood group. A Rh positive and B Rh negative. Erythroblastosis fetalis. Depending on the Rh factor, there is one abnormality, it is called as erythroblastosis fetalis. In this, what happen if the mother is Rh negative and the developing womb is Rh positive, because father is Rh positive, then the erythroblastosis fetalis it develops. There are the symptoms of this abnormality is anemia, jaundice, enlargement of liver, spleen, edema and dyspnea, that is the difficulty in breathing, and death occur in early stage of newborn. Now there are some sex-linked genes and inheritance of sex-linked genes we have to discuss. Hemophilia and color blindness. Now sex-linked disorder, color blindness due to several X-linked genes which are recessive. Normal vision, if person is having normal vision, around about 150 colors are visible, and colorblind, fewer than 25 colors are visible. Affected people cannot distinguish between red and green color. Both the color appears gray for him. That's why it is called as color blindness, or specially we can call it as a red and green color blindness. This is the test, Ishara test for color blindness, in which different color dots are there, and depending on that we can identify whether the person is color blind or not. See, because of this color, if the person is color blind, the different number is visible for him. Now in case of color blindness, normal female is having XX chromosome. Color blind female, now normal female is having X capital C means gene which is normal, and colorblind female is having both the genes are recessive, that is X small c. Third case we have to consider, that is the female is carrier but she is having gene for color blindness which she is transmitting to her next generation, that is small c gene. Normal male is having X and Y chromosome, and colorblind male X small c Y. Now in case of male there is no carrier stage because the gene for color blindness is present on X chromosome and not on Y chromosome. Now, normal father and colorblind mother. In this case, all daughters are carriers and all sons are colorblind. Normal mother and colorblind father. In this cross, all daughters are carriers and sons are normal. Hemophilia. Same like color blindness, hemophilia is also the sex-linked disorder. Same inheritance is present in hemophilia, that is crisscross inheritance. In case of hemophilia, the blood do not clot because of absence of certain coagulation factors. In the Queen Victoria family, this disease was very common, hemophilia. We are going to study about some disorders, chromosomal disorders because of certain deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation. So because of chromosomal abnormality, certain disorders are there. The normal spread of chromosome, it is different in karyotypic analysis, and by that we come to know that there are some chromosomal disorder. Now this is trisomy 21. Trisomy 21 means abnormal chromosome number is there. In this 21 number of chromosome is having, it is 3 in number instead of 2. Down syndrome, extra chromosome that is on 21 chromosome. So trisomy, its result is Down syndrome. Facial features are there, broad and round face, flattened nose, small irregular teeth, and the stature of a body is usually short. There is heart defects or problem in the heart of such a children. Lifespan is very short and they show mental retardation also. That is about the Down syndrome, which is because of trisomy of chromosome number 21. Klinefelter syndrome, aneuploidy of sex chromosome. Here one chromosome is extra, XXY condition is there in male. Now generally we know in case of male there is XY chromosome. Instead of this there is one X chromosome is extra. So that is called as males with an extra Y chromosome. Here that is XYY condition, and sometimes it is XXY condition. Aneuploidy of sex chromosome, trisomy of X, occur once in every 2000 live births, produces healthy females. Monosomy of X or Turner syndrome means here only one X chromosome is present, other X chromosome is absent, that is Turner syndrome. Now there are some chromosomes which are structurally altered, and that's why some disorders are there, that is called as Cry-Duchat syndrome. It is because of specific deletion in chromosome number 5. Thalassemia. Thalassemia is a blood disorder in which the body makes an abnormal form of hemoglobin. This disorder results in excessive destruction of red blood cells, which leads to anemia. Means red blood cells, they may be sickle cell like, or they may rupture very easily. So there are two types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. In alpha thalassemia, at least one of the alpha globin genes has a mutation or abnormality. Beta thalassemia, the beta globin genes are affected, due to which the hemoglobin ruptures. Thank you.